Apple iPhone 16, what to expect? As Apple gears up for its Glowtime event on September 9th, the iPhone 16 is generating buzz with rumors of new features and upgrades. While the spotlight will also shine on the latest Apple Watch and AirPods, the rumored M4 Mac is expected to debut later in the year. Here's a glimpse into what might be coming with the iPhone 16. Pre-ordering and release dates. Apple typically opens pre-orders for new iPhones on the Friday following the announcement. With the event scheduled for Monday, September 9th, pre-orders could start on Friday, September 13th, or possibly even Thursday, September 12th, if recent rumors are accurate. New colors and designs. The iPhone 16 might say goodbye to the blue titanium of previous models, potentially replacing it with a rich desert titanium bronze. This shift aligns with speculation from February that hinted at new color options including deeper, more sophisticated shades like cement gray. Camera enhancements. The iPhone 16 could introduce a new camera design, possibly with two vertically stacked lenses and a redesigned flash arrangement. This might signify a move away from the traditional square bump to a more streamlined look. Additionally, the Pro models are expected to feature a tetraprism zoom lens, enhancing optical zoom capabilities across the board. Performance boosts. All four iPhone 16 models are anticipated to come equipped with Apple's next-generation A18 chip, built on TSMC's improved 3nm process. The Pro models may receive an upgraded A18 Pro chip with a more advanced neural engine, boosting performance and efficiency. Potential new models. Rumors also suggest the introduction of an iPhone 16 Ultra, possibly a new top-tier model beyond the Pro Max, featuring enhanced camera capabilities, a faster chip, and potentially a larger display. This new model could offer cutting-edge features and even higher durability. Design tweaks. The iPhone 16 might sport slightly larger screens across the lineup, with expected increases to 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches for standard and Pro models, respectively. Additionally, slimmer bezels and a new display material, M14, could contribute to a sleeker design and improved power efficiency. Battery life and connectivity. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to feature a battery that could last over 30 hours, thanks to a combination of a larger cell and efficiency improvements from the A18 chip. The Pro models might also debut with Wi-Fi 7 support, offering faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. Looking ahead to iPhone 17. Even before the iPhone 16 hits the shelves, speculation about the iPhone 17 is already underway. Expected enhancements include up to 12 GB of memory, advanced AI features, and potentially a redesigned front display with under-display Face ID technology. Stay tuned for Apple's September 9th event to get the official scoop on these exciting new developments.